First, navigate to your Twilio console dashboard. On the left-hand navigation pane, locate and click on Phone Numbers. From the Manage Numbers page, you'll see a list of all your Twilio numbers. Find the phone number that was recently ported to your account and click on it to access its configuration settings. On the Numbers configuration page, scroll down to the Voice and Fax section. For Configure with, select Webhooks, Twiml Bins, Functions, Studio, or Proxy. This choice allows you to link your number to a Twilio application. Next, for a call comes in, choose how Twilio should handle incoming calls. You can select an existing TWIML bin, a function, or a studio flow, which are all pre-built logic for managing voice interactions. Now, move down to the messaging section. Similar to voice, set Configure with to webhooks, Twiml Bins, Functions, Studio, or Proxy to enable programmable SMS functionality. For a message comes in, select the appropriate handler for incoming SMS messages. Again, you can link it to an existing Twiml bin, function, or studio flow that defines your messaging logic. Once you've configured both voice and SMS capabilities to your desired applications, remember to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button to apply your changes. Your ported Twilio number is now fully configured and ready to use.